Thank you, Jyotika. Thank you so very much for welcoming me here. This novel is for the people who have got dreams, who have got, who believe, who are believers, who are dreamers, who are wanderers, who are travelers, and who are learners. So, having said this, the idea of writing down this novel came in my head in the year 2008. So, when I was flying with jet, and many of my friends, many of my friends who were not into the aviation industry, they used to ask me, Chetan, share us a couple of your experiences. And I used to share them a couple of incidents, a couple of episodes which used to happen during the flight or during our layover. So I thought, imagine, so what I started doing I started restricting myself while sharing those experiences. But somehow, it was there in my back of my mind that how I'm going to put across the message, that what kind of life we people lead. So I tried to look around the books, and then I thought of, it is better to write it down, and that's how this, novel has come up.
But there might be the part of the audience who is not aware about what Flying Colors is actually about. So can you throw a bit of light on the characters and what all things have been covered by the Flying Colors?
Right. So, Flying Colors is a book which glorifies the image of a girl. The main hero of this girl is Samreen. Sam is what she is popularly known as. She lives a very selfless life, but with the great esteem. She works for the people, for their happiness, and she keeps her interests at the secondary stage. Her prime focus is to ensure that life is to be lived to the fullest, but with a great character. She's very honest, she is very sincere, very dedicated towards her profession, and if I talk about other people who are there in the book, other characters who are there in the book, so they all are something like that. They are very good friends to each other. They always ensure that life is very short and you have to live each and every day to the fullest. So the message is live a life with a great manner, and enjoy it and do your best.
Is there any advice or suggestion you want to give to yet to be published writers who would be reading this book?
Writing is an art. It is not science. It's not mathematics.
True.
It comes from heart.
Right.
Once you're governed by heart, then you'll see something unique has come up, which is certainly going to create large amounts of value to life. I realized that there's a great potential which was lying in this subject matter. So I thought, why not to fetch out the opportunity from this, and I've been able to accomplish it.